Sir, what is the next one now? Close it. Advanced templates. Sir, already we know what is a template because Django is supported MVT. Starting onwards, we are discussing model, view, template. So template is nothing but all HTML files we have to write into the template. So third chapter something we had a discussion about this one template concept already. So now what is my requirement means, sir, sometimes some applications, for example, sir, sometimes see, whenever I open the one site, okay, this is the my website. Sir, here observe in this one, this top part, okay, in which page you can go. Suppose if you go to home page, is it available, not available? Available. If I go to this, available. Go to FAQs, available. Downloads, available. Videos, available. Available. So what happened? Every time page will be changes, but this portion never changes. Yes, sir, no? Yes. And every template page, if I am clicking on this, yes, sir, this is called as a nav bar. Navigation bar means how many pages are there? Suppose I have 10 pages are there. Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. All 10 pages, these headings, that menu bar compulsory I can require. So in every HTML page, can I write the same code? Normally we have to write, if we want to compulsory home, new batches, FAQs, downloads available means compulsory every page we have to write the same code. Instead of that, whatever is doing is in advanced template, so two concepts are there. One is template inheritance. Second one is template filters. These two concepts are there in advanced templates. Already you know basically about this one, inheritance. What is the inheritance? Some examples already explained in your Python classes. Your faculty already explained about the inheritance. Parent class properties, variables, methods, constructor by default eligible to the child class. That is nothing but a inheritance. So these things already you know. Class P, here whatever code is there, okay, whatever methods are there. Sorry, example. I'm taking some M1 method. I'm taking some M2 method, sir. I have to take class C. How to provide inheritance? P. C won't to do anything, sir. Create object to the child class. Give a reference variable C. By using C, can I call M1? Yes, sir. By using C, can I call M2? Yes. This concept already you know. All parent methods, parent constructors, everything eligible to it. Same concept. Screen చక్క అనుకున్నా అక్కడ అయిపోయింది ఇది 1 minute स्क्रीन स्टक हो गया आता आता वेट now came yeah sir, see, just I'm doing what I'm doing is yes आ गया sir. Advanced template, two topics are there. One is inheritance, sir. Second one is filters, sir. Just I'm telling inheritance. Inheritance means by default parent class properties, variables, methods, automatically eligible to the child class. Just I'm written class P, two methods, sir. I'm given C with P. P is the parent, C is the child. By using C, I'm calling the methods. That is I'm explaining. So these things already you know. Same thing. Now I want to implement a template inheritance. What is the meaning of this template inheritance? So now, what is the meaning of this template inheritance? Just now I am telling. I have 10 pages are there. Every page, something I can require. This part is common for all the 10 pages. Instead of writing again and again, I have to create one base template. How base page is there? I have to take base.html. Inside this base.html, so take base.html. Inside this base.html, I have to write some HTML code. Now, tomorrow in this page, in this page, in this page, in this page, I want to use the same code. Instead of copy paste writing, just I have to extends which page? Base page. Idi suppose page 1, idi page 2, this one page 3, like that. Multiple pages I need to extend this page code. That concept is nothing but what it is, template inheritance. Ante instead of writing again and again, take one template, that code you have to implement into the child classes, child templates. So if multiple template files have some common code, then it is not recommended to write that common code in every template HTML file. Because if you write every time, the code of the file will be increases, readability will be very more, reduce will the maintenance and all those things. That is the reason only one template file I can create it. I have to inherit this template to multiple templates. That type of concept is called as template inheritance. Sir, no. How to implement this one? And is it your first class? Are you attending online classes? Sir, how to implement template inheritance? How to implement the template inheritance? Sir, first I have to take one file. What it is? Base.html. Inside this base.html, HTML means already know body, head, all those things. I have to write body of the code. Now, in all templates, whatever common code you can require, write this code. Whatever common code required for every child template code you have to write here. Okay, you are written. After that, you can take a ginger tag, percentage, block, this one, child block. Inside, whatever you want to write outside code. Available to the child template. The child template specific code should be in this block. Once completed, you have to end that block. Percentage, end the block. So this is the code what we have to return into base.html. Close the body tag. Next, sir, I have to take which one? Child.html file. Sir, now inside child HTML file, I mentioned one block now. This block you cannot take here. How to provide it means just use the keyword extends. Percentage extends. Which one? Base.html. Generally, what is available? Test app base.html. So whatever code generally I'm created base.html in test app. So wherever a file is there, that location you can mention with the help of extend keyword. Then automatically in the base page, whatever code is there, everything will be available there. So how to get that code? Here, curling brace, percentage, block, child block. Now, child specific code. And here you have to your own code. That code you have to write. Percentage, end the block. So automatically parent code you don't need to write. Everything will be eligible to the child class. Extra you want to write code, that child specific code you can write. So this is the just basic syntax how to implement your template. So in base template, whatever common code required you can implement it, save it. In any child simple only one line you can use it. Extends that page. Now I will give example, then you will get clarity. How to add separate CSS files to the child templates. For example, sir, whenever I'm creating CSS, every time I'm adding the CSS file link, HRL relation like that, I can provide it every time. Instead of that, now I have to write only base page that I'm extending. So same example, how I created here multiple links are there. Every link page will be changes, but links is still same. It never changes. This portion never changes. Page will be changes every time. FAQs, downloads, videos, careers. So this is common or not? Common. But multiple pages are there every time. So how to implement this one? By using our template inheritance concept. One template I created that is extending to that one. Then now create the project, CMD, go to the CMD. Is it visible? Yeah. So D drive, CD, Django 17th. Yes. Now Django, create the project hyphen admin start project. What is the project? Advanced template project. ADV template. CD ADV template project. Next PY manage.py start app test app created 3 steps, copy paste here, done. Next add this application in settings.py. Okay, first to go to the atom, sir. Open atom. atom. Close all these. ఏడు మీ పార్ట్నర్ ఇంకో ఇది రైట్ పార్ట్నర్ లెఫ్ట్ పార్ట్నర్ మెయిన్ పార్ట్నర్. అయ్యో వర్షం పడిందా? మూవీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ మన ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్ ఇదిగోండి ఏడివి టెంప్లెట్ సార్. ఇన్సైడ్ సెట్టింగ్స్ సార్. యా ఫస్ట్ వన్ టెస్ట్ యాప్ సార్. సేవ్ సార్. వన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డన్ మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు స్టోరీ కామన్ స్టోరీ టెంప్లెట్స్ మోడల్ ఎందుకు ఇది టెంప్లెట్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఓకేనా? రైట్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ దిస్, go to folder, take templates sir. Sir, inside templates right click, folder sir. Sir, what is the folder name? Test app sir. Inside you have to take base.html file, base.html sir. Okay, in the main project right click, folder you have to take. What is the folder sir? Static sir. Inside static right click, folder you have to take CSS sir. Inside CSS right click, file sir, adv template.css, advanced temp.css. Completed all. Now go to the settings sir. Sir, here we have to give template underscore dir equal to sir base dir slash తర్వాత static underscore dir equals to base dir slash static sir. Completed. Template dir templates pasted. Come to the last static 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 files underscore dir equal to static dir. Completed the process. Now ఇప్పుడు base sir, the base.html you have to take HTML code. Inside percentage load static. Now go to here, bootstrap.com, documentation, copy this. Search only. Previously in our projects, movie project, can you add list everywhere? In every template I'm copy pasted this one. Now only one base.html I'm copy this. I am inherited only one time I'm using this time matram. Check it. This is I'm given now body. Sir, here there is a class is there sir. Ikkada check cheyandi nav bar, then you will get clarity how it is there. Sir, nav bar means something like this. This is there now. This is nav bar. This is common for every page. 10 templates are there. Every template it is coming same only. Nav bar, home, link, drop down, disable, search like this. This is the code. To implement nav bar, simple, we have to copy paste this code. So what is the class name? Nav bar class. What we have to given something. If you want to display nav bar, home, somewhere there is one home is there. Yes, home is one link displayed. After that, it's a drop down. To display this is the code they have to review there. ఇది class. Copy this. Come to here, paste it. Now bar. Now bar we have to close. This code, anything you have to write it. Inside I have to take one anchor tag I can provide it. Copy. Paste it. Now bar. I want to put href. I will implement this. I'm given as a Mahesh News. So what now bar they are given to display this now bar. This is the code. I'm customizing based on that. I'm given a Mahesh News link. I will implement. I will give that URL. Okay, done. Inside, I want to take a division div container. Inside, I want implemented UL unordered list. Inside, I want to provided navbar auto active. UL, sorry, this one we need to take this class. Navbar we can take an inside. Unordered list means list I have to provided. Inside I want to take anchor tag. Now I have to take an as a movies. Copy, paste. First list, second list, third one, sports. Third one, politics. Anchor tag again provided. Navbar class. Navbar. H reference I will give. After implementing links, I will give. So now, this is a tag, anchor tag close. Div closes, UL closes, list closes. Done. So now, division now. So now, I want to write the child specific code now. Percentage, block, body block. So this word, any word you can use, child block, body block. Block is compulsory word. This one, ABC, you can use XYZ. Anything you can give. And we want to provide that end body block. And so this is the code what you have written into the base.html. Once I completed this, first display this one, how it is coming. Go to your views. In the views, def base underscore view. Inside, I want to give a request. Return render. What I want to render, I am getting request, comma, test app slash, what is the page? Base.html. No dictionary, nothing. Now, create URL. Request equal to comma. Okay. Sorry, base underscore. Any mistakes? Return spelling poinda. Yeah. Intelligent boys. Base view return render request test. Sir, go to URLs. Sir, ikkada. Sir, from what it is, sir? Test app, sir. Import, sir. Wait, intaledu. Where, Babu? అవసరం లేదబ్బా అది. నాట్ మ్యాండేటరీ. నాట్ మ్యాండేటరీ. జస్ట్ క్యాజువల్గా ఇస్తాను నేను అంతే, అవసరంలా. సార్ ఎక్కడున్నా URLs. Import what I want to import, sir. Views. Next. Copy this. Paste. What I want to give. Base. అందులో పని చేయండి, ఏమి ఇవ్వకండి. What I want to give. Views dot base underscore view. Completed. Come to the here. Py and manage dot py, sir. Sorry. Run server, sir. Server is started. Copy the address. So I'm not given any URL, so direct it is coming that one. Mahesh News, movies and sports politics came. Then navigation bar actually ఇవన్నీ రావాలి. ఇప్పుడు సెట్ చేయాలి మనం. నావిగేషన్ బార్ రావాలని ఇదిగో యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ కంప్లీట్ కోడ్. ఇది ఈ కోడ్ nav యాంకర్ బటన్ స్పాన్ రాస్తే దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ లైక్ దిస్. దానిలో కొన్ని క్లాసెస్ తీసుకున్నాను కదా, అందుకనే ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ లైక్ దిస్. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఇన్హెరిటేట్ చేయొచ్చు, లేదంటే దీన్ని మార్చుకుందాం. విల్ చేంజ్ ఇట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ మహేష్ న్యూస్, మూవీస్, స్పోర్ట్స్. బికాస్ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ UL నా, అందుకే లిస్ట్ లో వచ్చింది అది. వాట్ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ unordered లిస్ట్ కదా, అందుకే 1 by 1 యాంకర్ అటాక్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్. I will give the addresses of those things. But దీనికి ఎక్కడుంది? ఇయర్ ఉంది. H1. I want to give some color. Which color? Red. Text alignment. Center I'm given. Next I'm given dot navbar class. For that వస్తుంది. అయ్యో, బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కావాలి కదా నీకు. బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఏమిద్దాం? ఎల్లో. నెక్స్ట్ dot navbar class dot inside anchor attacks. Navbar is a class. That's I'm given navbar dot inside navbar anchor attacks are available there. I'm given colors. Some blue I can provided there. Next list the li anchor attacks are there. Instead I have to give color red. adv temp.css. Come to here. Inside give the link. Here you have to give curling braces. Percentage. First one static, then CSS / adv temp.css. Save this. Is it applied or not applied? నీకైతే రాదు కదా, వచ్చిందా? ఏం చేసావు? మన మిస్టేక్ ఏమైంది? సార్ సంథింగ్ ఐ కెన్ ప్రొవైడెడ్ దేర్. సార్ ఇప్పుడు మై థింగ్ ఈస్ సేమ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కలర్, మహేష్ న్యూస్, మూవీస్, స్పోర్ట్స్, పాలిటిక్స్. Whenever I am clicking on each and sir, present ante no link. That's what it is coming as symbol. Okay. Next concept is up to here. Everybody knows about that. Whenever I am clicking on movies, same hello, Mahesh News, movies, sports, politics should be available. Ikkada I want to display something. What it is? Movies information. If I click on sports, same should be available, sports information. If I click on politics, that should be fixed, but you have to change a different page. That is my requirement. Previously, how I am telling here in this case, every time same only. Whenever clicking on that, bottom content should be changed. Top should be same only. That is my requirement, sir. Now, sir, go to the here. Sir, 1 minute. Ikkada base.html code. First, you have to take base.html code. This is the base. Copy. Paste it. After that, first implement view. Views.py code. Only one function is there. Use. This is the code. After that, sir, URLs. URLs.py. Inside only one URL. Up to here, this is the story. Copy, paste. Next to CSS adv temp.css. Up to we did these activities. Adv temp. Copy. Completed, sir. Next, cinema is come to view. Alright. Sir, what to do next? Copy, paste. Instead of base view, you have to give as a 3 are there now. What it is? Movie. So here you have to take movie. Now copy, paste. 4 functions I declared. Here sports. Here sports. Sir, here politics. Sir, here save. Completed. Here 4 functions I am taking. Every function written corresponding page, but pages are not there. You have to create your pages. This one templates lo base.html is there na same. Right click, file, first file. Movie.html. Right click, new file. Sports.html. Third, next, right click, new file. What it is? Politics. HTML. Okay, done, sir. Sir, first at the time of movie.html. Yes. In this one, what is the code we have to write generally? Come to here. Sir, if you want to go to navbar means compulsory, can I copy paste or not? Compulsory to copy this code, paste it. Now, no need to write. Sir, you were given already what you were given? Block, body block, end block. Sir, first HTML code representation, this is common. Copy this line into movie. This is indicates it is a HTML type of document. Now, curling braces. First line, what we have to write? What is the keyword? Extensive. Which page? Test app / base.html. Completed story. This is the movies.html code. After that, whatever you can require, percentage, load, static. Yes, done. Now, save this one. Movie kada. Go to the URLs. Observe, I'm not doing anything here. URLs ikkada undi kada. Ikkada undi. Search on jaataga. Copy this. Paste it. What it is? Movie. What can I give? Movie. Okay. Where? Single code it poinda. Okay na? Done. Sir, simple ippudu. Whenever I'm given movie view, in the movie view, anything is there? nothing. And automatically that navigation bar available, not available? Available. Check it. First check the server. Fine. Come to here. Server. First, enter. If I click on movies, is it coming? It won't come. You have to enter URL. What is the URL? Movie. అది ఆటోమేటిక్ వచ్చిందా లేదా మూవీ అనగానే. బట్ ఇన్ ద మూవీ ఐఎమ్ రిటన్ ఎనీ కోడ్ నథింగ్. మరి హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్? బికాస్ ఆఫ్ పేరెంట్ టు చైల్డ్. మరి హౌ యూ గెట్ ఎ డిఫరెన్స్ మీన్స్ అబ్జర్వ్. ఐ విల్ షో. Sir, but my requirement is this is the base page. Once you click on movies, I want to automatically open that page. For your understandable purpose, here write something code. What we have to write? In child specific code, percentage. What is the name you were given? Block, body block. Body block. Inside, just I'm given an H1 tag. This is movie information I am displaying. End the block. Percentage, end block. Now, this is the child specific code. Copy. Check the server. Fine. Come to here. First refresh. This is the main page. When I'm clicking on slash movies. Movies a movie now. Movie. వచ్చిందా లేదా? Now bar same. It does not changes. I'm given that heading one. That heading one will be available there. Here in the parent you are mentioned, parent contains multiple bodies. Here in the base page, what you are mentioned, body block. Parent class contain multiple blocks. Okay, but child class is responsible. Which you can require that block you can implement. So here whatever you are given block, suppose I am given as a child block. Give name as a child block. Here whatever I am given body block, this is the syntax. This code you have to implemented. Which child you want implemented, in that you can go. Where? Here. In that block, you have to write your specific code. Sir, give the URL. Instead of that, in base, here href. What I want to give? Movie. Slash before or after? After? చూద్దాం. సరే. Come here, enter. It is the main page. Once click on movie. Came. So now bar should be fixed. Any extra text you want, you can display. So next what to do? Simple. Come to movie. Copy code. Go to sports. Paste it. Only change is completed. Go to politics. Paste it. Open the job completed. Now go to URLs, sir. Copy, paste. Sports. Next to politics. Here sports. Politics. Screen stuck in antunnadu. Yeah, now came. Now I am in URLs page. Previously, I implemented movies. Same code I copy pasted in the sports. Same copy pasted in the politics. And I'm implementing the URLs. Okay, visible? Myth. Same, whatever child code is there, I copy pasted a different 4 URLs. Yeah. Now, sir, give these URLs to the base. Here, remove the hash slash sports, sir. Here, slash politics. Completed. Now check the server. Server restarted now. Okay. First give the base URL. Enter. Only main page came. If I click on movies, as information. Click on sports. Changes. Click on politics. Changes. So I'm inherited the same thing into multiple pages. Here, how I'm implemented my page, same concept. Can ఈ స్టైల్లో రావాలంటే సార్, if you want to go to this complete code, nav bar, anchor tag, div, class, once you given, then you are getting this type of style. Those styles pages will be done by UI designer. Yes, sir, no. Simple thing. That is the concept of what it is here. Heading template inheritance, not advance. Sir, parent template lo we can define n number of blocks. Suppose my parent have 20 methods are there. Child can be accessing 1, 2, 3, 4 or 20. Concept తెలియదుగా. Sir, do you know interfaces? So main concept ఏంటంటే interface means interface contains only declaration, no implementation. Child classes are responsible to implement the method. For example, interface contains 10 methods. One child class came. Child class implemented interface methods. How many required? Those 3 or 4 or 5 or 10 also. Same here also. In your parent block, you can implement n number of blocks like this. Body block, end block, child block, multiple blocks. Child is not responsible to implement all. Whatever required, those it can be implemented. Sir, inka what we copied here notes, URLs ADV. Finally, we go with I implemented views.py. 4 functions I implemented. Views. Yes. Next. Movies. Movie. Dot HTML. This one. Next. Sports.html. Next. Politics.html. Sports. Copy. Paste. Politics. Copy. Next. URLs.py. URLs. This is 4 URLs I declared. These URLs where we can mention base.html, you have to mention in base.html. Yes, if you want to provide inheritance, child specific code is required, then we have to give that one. If no child specific code is there, just simply have to inherit it. Amit, if child have any new functionalities are there, compulsory you have to add the block. Not required, just you have to inheritance purpose, then block is not required. Starting, I'm not given any block, directly inherited. If you want to write any specific code, then only you can write it. So in base page, we have to add these URLs. Then it works out. Radhi story. Like that, we need to provide inheritance concept. Mahesh news is there. I'm not given anything. That's why it's not getting it. This is the starting page. Base page. చేసుకోవచ్చు. బ్లూ ఇచ్చానుగా నేను ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ. ఎక్కడ మారుస్తూ అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇన్ సిఎస్ఎస్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాం కలరు తీసేసి ఏదోటి నీకు నచ్చింది. ఎవరి విష్ కలర్స్ settings, you don't bother about that. Only you are always concentrated on functionalities. Generally, as this is not exact UI, okay? UI designers will take care about everything. They will go complete pages, but functions, those things we have to write it to. Our first one. In the parent, without inheritance topic, we can develop now, but yeah, you can develop it, but every time, every page, you need to copy paste that code, no problem. Without inheritance also possible, Tana. Okay. But only thing is copy that complete code, paste into every page. Instead of that, I am using inheritance. Without inheritance also possible to develop navbar. Remove this extend keyword, copy paste that code. Which code here? Sir, remove this code line number 2. Copy this complete code, complete body code, paste it. Then completed. Came, not came? Came. Instead of rewriting, I am using inheritance. So now, in the parent template, we can define any number of blocks, not only single block, but child template is responsible to implement these blocks. But all blocks no need. How many blocks they can require? Those. If you know in interface, abstract class, concrete class, then you will get this concept very clarity. It is not mandatory to implement every parent block in the child based on our requirement. Child template can decide which blocks are required to implement. So any number of blocks you can implement. Child is not responsible to implement all the blocks. How many are required, those can be implemented. Sir, suppose parent lo, for example, chonde copy, paste. And the body block 1, 2, assume 3, 4, 5 are there. 5 blocks are there. Body block 1, 2, 3, 4. Child is responsible to implement. All are not required. 1, 2 I can implement. For example, in the child, in case of movie, I want to implement it. First, which block I implemented? 2. Okay. After some days, if I can require, I want to implement which one? First one. Then I want to implement first. And here you have to write something code. Whatever code you want, you write child specific code. Block 1. Now you can implement this one. After some days, my requirement is I want to implement which block? 5th block. Copy. Come to here. Implement the 5th block. Write your child specific code, whatever you want. Here, order is not important. Which block you want, that block you can take. Write your child specific code. Compulsory after 1, 2, 3, 4, no. 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1. You can implement. That type of implementation is also there. Come to the base page. Third one. While implementing blocks in child template, it is not required to follow the order. Now, yeah, Depends upon my requirement, Nirankar. Sometimes, do you know, multiple blocks required compulsory. Some applications, some pages, some code. For example, see, in my site here, sir, home applicable, new batch applicable. Whenever go to the manual FAQs, came. If I go to the something here, now bar is there, observe. Now bar is there, not came. And in this page, I'm not implemented that inheritance. So not required here for me. I'm not implemented. If I go to HMS application, here also now bar is not there. So depends upon my requirement, I can inherit, and otherwise not required. Based on that, we can use multiple blocks also. Sir, what is multiple inheritance? Multiple. One child, multiple parents. Possible, not possible. Java, not possible. Python, possible. Multiple inheritance. Same like that. If you have 2-3 parents are there, one child is there, that is also applicable in case of here. Suppose child template can extend any number of parent templates, just like multiple inheritance. So those inheritances I will explain upcoming chapters. At the time of tables, inheritances concept is there. So this is the important thing into that one. So what is advantage of template means? Main thing, code reusability. How normal inheritance features are there? All inheritance features you can apply to template inheritance. That is the template inheritance. Sir, what is this second chapter? In that only second part is template filters. Sir, what is the template filters? Somewhere else, one project I explained about the filterization. I have remembered filterization. Where and at the time of populate functions, I inserted all the student details. Marks greater than 35, less than 35, starts with the A, student dot object dot all. Inside I'm given filter. Which project that is? Exactly. సార్ ఈవినింగ్ ఒకసారి ల్యాబ్కి రండి సార్, చాలా డౌట్లు ఉన్నాయి సార్. అంతేగాని మీరు మాత్రం క్లాస్కి రారు. Evening I have new batch started now. 4 to 5 Python class is there. Otherwise I will come. That Python batch completed. Who is Srikanth? 4 to 5:30, 5:45. The class is going on their Python. After that they are asking doubts. Again 6 o'clock I have testing classes there. That's why I'm not coming. Sir, if possible, tomorrow I will try. Morning time I will come. 10 to 11 I'm free. 10 o'clock time I will come. Because evening new batch started. That is the reason I'm not coming lab. If you have any doubts are there, you can come to here now. In the class. In the classroom, after class, I will clarify your doubts. Sir, what is that project, sir? Anyone remember that project name? Jobs kada. Marks, students. Student marks less than 35. Marks and print and ascending order, descending order starts with alphabet. That project. Model project. Okay. We will check it. నాకు తెలిసి ఇదే మోడల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇదే. ఓకే, ఇందులో చెక్ ద వ్యూ టెంప్లేట్. వ్యూ ఏది? యా sir, which function I'm using? Filter. I remember this one. Student dot objects dot all means it is coming all the student information display to the template. No, I want to give, yeah. No, I want to use in here marks less than 35, name starts with A, marks ascending order, descending minus. So here what is happened means in the view function I'm using filter. Now the concept is, what is the concept? Template. Ante in the time of template, at the time of displaying in HTML code, I have to use the filters here. I want to display student information. Na? For example, in this example, where I am displaying the display student roll number, student date of student. Here in the template file, in this block, I can use template filters. View function reading all data, sending, but here I can do filters. That concept is nothing but what it is, template filters story. Tomorrow I will tell the template filters. How to filtration data in HTMLs. Sir, వీలైతే you can practice these things because interview room compulsory they are asking. Previously I am asking this person what it is. What is a abstract class and concrete class and interface and compulsory. Without these question, no interview. Definitely they will ask what is interface, what is abstract class, what is the concrete class. Any idea? No, ABC module. నువ్వంటే ఇంటెలిజెంటే నీకు అన్ని తెలిసిపోతా ఉంటాయి అలాగా చెప్పానా. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ ఈస్ దేర్ abstract method also. Interface is main class. Wammo. Sorry, Amit, what is concrete class? Middle class. Abstract class, concrete class, interface. And what is abstract method? Okay. In interface, there is only abstract method. Very good. But in abstract class, Nirankar. What is abstract class? You can find out here. These are all. If you want to explain, it will take so much time to explain these things that can be modified. And anyone no idea about these things? ఓవరాల్ వ్యూ చెప్పడం అవ్వదు, చాలా టైం పడుతుంది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి. విత్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చెప్తేనే అర్థం అవుతుంది. ఓవరాల్ వ్యూ చెప్తే ఏం అర్థం అవుతుంది? సరే చూద్దాం. వన్ ఫైండ్ ఐ విల్ టెల్. ఇన్ abstract method there can be abstract. In abstract method there can be abstract method. Abstract class. Yeah. Correct, Nirankar. In abstract class, it contains abstract methods and normal methods. Okay, nice. Okay, sir. Find out these three. If time is there, I will explain. Sir, next. Yesterday, I'm given any example patterns. Print chesara? Katleda. Sir, yesterday, how many we completed? Django. 1 minute. Django. Yeah. Sir, pyramid print chesam kada. Anyone tried 1, 2, 3, 4 like that? Reverse triangle. Vachinda? Sir, up to here we completed na 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1. Sir, same. An abstract class is a class that declared abstract. It may or may not include abstract methods. Abstract class cannot be instantiated, but they can be subclassed. Okay. Sir, without abstract method, can I declare abstract class? Amit, you are telling may or may not know. Without any abstract class, sorry, abstract method, can I declare any abstract class? Possible. No way. Okay. Minimum at least one abstract method is required. If there is no abstract method, I can create object. Once I created object means it is not an abstract class. Abstract class is object instantiation not possible. Na? Without abstract method, you can declare. Yeah, it is possible to create object. Once I created object, it is not abstract class. Abstract class, at least one abstract method required, and the second rule is their mandatory rule. For example, see, I declared a class test. Okay, and I declared at the rate abstract method decorator. I declared def m1 self. It won't do anything. Is it abstract class? Amit. Yes, Nirankar. Is it abstract class or not? Yes, sir. No, it is not abstract class, Amit. Even the abstract method is there. That is not abstract class. Compulsory you have to inherited with which class? ABC. Once you inherited, compulsory you can go with ABC, import ABC. Then it should be abstract class. Try to create object. It will give left and right. Check it. This PC D drive. My classes. Test.py. Save. Try to create object test. Give reference variable T. Now you will get clarity. Which is abstract class, which is not abstract class. And everyone like a Tamil cinema, it is a daily same. That is konjo like Malayalam mixing. Yes. Sir, but everyone telling completed Python. D, CD, PY, test.py. Check it now. Is not defined. Am I did any mistake? From ABC. Yes, import star. Star. Check it. Can't instantiate class. Test is a which class? Abstract class, Amit. Now it should be abstract class. A Kangi class is a class that has to be definition for all its methods and has no abstract method. Abstract methods only available, but implementation is there, Sai Baba. ఎవరు ఆగండిటనా ఓ సాయిబాబా మీ దోస్త్ ఇయర్ ఫీలింగ్ వెరీ బ్యాడ్ యార్ సాయిబాబా సాయిబాబా వర్షం పడిందని ఆగిపోయావా సాయిబాబా క్రయింగ్ ఫర్ యూ అయ్యో సరే కొనండి కానీ ఆ స్టోరీ కమ్ టు అవర్ స్టోరీ ఇప్పుడు సార్ ఎస్టర్డే I printed this one 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 and 1 I printed there. Just 2 3 patterns I will tell. We will wind up. Today I have some work is there. So now I want to print same 4 number of rows n equal to 4. Sir, because see how many completed? We completed some 21 and until 100 I'm explaining this story. Okay. Sir, I want to display first A, B, C, D. Next one, A, B, C. Sorry. Next one, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B. Next, A. This requirement. Then again yesterday, printed. How? Sir, here. ఎందుకు అసలు ఇక్కడ చెప్పండి సార్ How many number of spaces are required? How many number of spaces? First line, how many spaces? 0. Second, 1. Next, 2. Next, 3. 3 means can I go I plus I? Because first I value, what is I value? 0. Int of input of enter number of rows. Done. Now what it is? N. Sir, n value how much I'm given? 4 for I in range of n. So what is the I values? 0, 1, 2, 3. First value 0. Kabatti. The number of spaces, how many you can require? For these examples, today class notes I will give. Yes, number of spaces any first time 0, second time 1, 2, 3. Now, how many symbols are required? First row, how many are there? 4. Second row, 3. Next to 2. Next to 1. What to do? N minus simple I. Because n value 4, I value 0. Yes, n minus I. Now, which symbol you can require? Which symbol? Ade, what it is, A kada? A, B, C. Sir, every time character changes, not changes. So second loop is required, not required. Compulsory. If value changes, second for loop. For J in range of what I want to give. I did. I'm asking J loop now. How many times I can repeat it? 4 times. Okay, done. Sir, now what I want to print? First, see. I want to print. What I want to print? Spaces. Star. How many times I'm given previously? Naka? How many? I. Yes. Star of I, comma, same line. And per J in. How many times can I repeat it? N minus I. I value anta? 0. 4 minus 0, 4. Next time, 4 minus 1, 3. Next to 2. Next to 1. Now, sir, what I want to print? Same old program only. Yes. CHR of 65 plus J. Yes, comma. You can go with end. One space. After J loop, end. R missing the. Yeah. The same previous program, just I test up. Number of rows. Any 4. ABCD, ABC, AB, A came. Okay, anything I asked yesterday? No. N equal to 4. So this time I want to print 4, 3, 2, 1. Next I want to go 4, 3, 2. Next 3, 2. Next 3, 2 కాదు కదా సారీ ఎంత 4, 3. Next 4. ఇది అవుట్పుట్. That is my requirement. Colon 4. Sir, how many number of spaces required? 0, 1, 2, 3. So I value 1. Now, how many symbols are required? N minus I. Because I value first 0. Okay, 0 spaces, 1, 2, 3 spaces. Number of symbols, how many? First time 4, 3, 2, 1. N minus I. What is the symbol you can require? Which symbol? First time enta 4. Next 3, 2, 1. I need to go n minus j. Come here in this one. Here whatever changes are there, first space is printed. Change range of minus. Sir, remove this one. What do you want to print? Can I go with n minus j or not? Completed? Completed. Sir, first I value 0. Here 4 minus 0. 4 times 0, 1, 2, 3. N minus j means 4 minus 0. N minus j, 4 minus 1, 2, 3. Check it now. PV dash dot PV. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 4. And only one logic, simple every time. Here value changes. Previous program character I printed. Sir, same. Sorry, I want to print D, C, B, A. Next, D, C, B, D, C. Next, D. How to print it? Em print cheyali. What changes are there? CHR of what we have to give? 64 plus n minus j. Check it. What is the value of n now? 4. 4 minus 0, 4. 64 plus 4, 68. D printed. Once the D came, remaining will come automatically. DCBA, DCB, DCD. Sir, only this one I am changing every time. Sir, have you printed a triangle? Triangle. Mari printed you telling? Triangle as idi. Previous time given pyramid na? Pyramid ni tippu opposite the triangle kada. Sir, do you know diamond? Ladies know very well diamonds. If you don't know, I will show my Huna. Google it. Diamond patterns in C language. Kohinoor. Oh. Yes. This is the diamond. Watch only, she is looking for a diamond. Sir, got it? This is the diamond. How to print this type of shape? Kite. It's not diamond. Kite diamond. Sir, that is adding 2 triangles and so opera. Sir, observe carefully. Sir, first 1, 2, 3 single star. Laga do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. Sir, yesterday we discussed in pyramid. Ippudu, what to do for this? Yes, sir, no. Sir, first of all, this only last one. Tomorrow we will see remaining. Sir, first print this part. How to print this part? First row, observe carefully. This row, how many spaces? Is it 0th row or not? Yes. How many spaces are there? 3. Second, first row. How many? 2. So like that it is taken. Now, sir, please tell how many number of spaces required? Every time you can tell, for example, see here, remove this nonsense. What is I value? 0. N value 4. How many spaces required in the first case? 4. How to get that? 3 అంటే డైరెక్ట్ 3 ఇవ్వలేం కదా. How to generate that value? N minus బాబు గారు I value ఎంత? 0. N minus 0 అంటే 4 వస్తాయి. How many can required? 3. Next 2. Next 1. Last 0. So number of spaces required is I minus 1. Yes or no? 4 minus 0 minus 1. Next 4 minus 1 minus 1. 4 minus 2 minus 1. Last 4 minus 3 minus 4, 0. Okay, done. How many stars required? First time, how many stars are there? I plus 1. Yeah. Now come to here. Sir, for loop, I want to print. First, what I want to print? Space, star. How many times I am telling? N minus I minus 1 time. Okay, done. Plus, after that, star symbol, star space. How many times it symbol required? I plus 1 time. Ema, but next part, yesterday I am written that part code. Please tell in this one, up to here I am getting. What is this row number? N value 4 kada. What is that one? 3, 2, 1. So, yes. Next I want to provide it, sir. Another for loop for I in range of, what I want to give? Can I take n minus 1 or not? N minus 1 means 3. 3 onwards it is started. Yes, n minus 1. Now the values are 0, 1, 2. Okay, done. Yes. Sir, what I want to print now? Print. First, how many spaces required? 1 space. Taravata 2. Taravata 3. How I am getting star? Yes, I plus 1. I value 0 kada. Means 0 plus 1. I want to provide with concatenation. Star, star. How many required this one? First place lo ennunni? 3. Next 2. Next 1. I need to go for n minus I minus 1. Is it okay or not? Check it. N value 4. 4 minus I 0 minus 1. 3 stars will be printed. Next iteration 2. Next iteration 1. 2 for loops you have to take here and check it. Diamond came? Yes or no? Yes. This is the way how to print this one. Sir, itla you have to take different stories are there in this one again. Same diamonds you have to print, sir. Next, I want to print 4 kada. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2. Next 1. ఇట్లాగే ఏం కావాలి మనకి అప్పర్ కేసు. హియర్ 3, 3, 3. హియర్ 2, 2. Sorry. Here 1. Like that you have to print. ఇలా కావాలి. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1. Same for loops only, print the numbers. ABCDs. Like that you have to print it. అంతే కదా. Whatever you can require that you have to do it. Instead of star,
Recording
you have to
stopped.
replace it.